Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious stir-fried pasta. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have my shrimps, some thighs, sausages and chicken wings. For those who know me, I'm a lover of chicken wings. Here is my chicken stock. So here are my thighs, greens, peppers especially because I have the frozen vegetables I'll be using. Here I have my curry, my bay leaf, my stock cube. Here is salt, black pepper, my extra veggie olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if that's what you want. Here are some diced garlic. I'll be using a bit of onion to stir fry because I already blended a good part of the onion here. I am not an onion fan, prefer it blended. So here's the pasta I'll be using, spaghetti. So next I'm just going to parboil my pasta. Put water on the pot on the fire and allow to boil and putting oil on top for it not to stick together. Now put your pasta in the boiled water. I decided to break my pasta because of my son, so you can easily eat it. I'm going to add a bit of salt to cook my pasta. Next, cover and allow to cook for at least 15 minutes. So now let's stir fry the vegetables. Add in oil into your pan. Allow to heat up. I like to always stir fry my shrimps first. And my diced sausages. Allow to stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then next I'm going to be stir frying my chunk of onion and the garlic. Add in some curry. Going in with my vegetables. Remember my blended onion, I'm going to add it now. Adding some black pepper. I blended fresh peppers with my onion already. Now I'm going to add in some salt, my stock cube, then stir and allow it to simmer for at least another 5 to 7 minutes. So now let's go back to the pasta. So my pasta is done already. I'm just going to sieve out the water. So next I'm just going to mix my stir-fried vegetables with my pasta.
But they in the building, hey, is that easy? This music. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya.
Who always likes adding butter like me, so I'm just going to add a bit of butter or margarine. So guys, as you can see, my pasta is ready. I forgot to film the part where I used the chicken stock to cook the pasta. Yes, I didn't allow it go to waste. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.